Listen. Right. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm basically doing a bit of work on the Accord, right, the CU2. And what I'm doing is basically I'm having an issue with the mirror. So let me just switch the camera and show you what I'm talking about. It is this type of car, right? These Hondas, the CU2, right? Now this mirror, it basically when you turn on the car, it makes a sound. I'm going to turn it on so you could hear it. Listen.
Shut up, you're so annoying!
Right? That's basically this button, like for the mirror to be able to come in and go out. That's the sound. Whichever way you turn it, that's the sound it makes. So what I did to basically get rid of the noise was I opened the door cover right here, and there is the I wasn't able to take off the door cover completely because I don't know how to. I've unscrewed some screws and so on, but I don't want to break anything, so I just leave it and just kind of operate from inside here. So there's the connector, right? Right there, right? So you have two connectors, right? Here's a large one on the right hand side, and then you have this small one here, right here on the left, right? Just unplug this one, right? I'm going to unplug it and show you. So this small one on the left, right there, that one controls the mirror going out and in. One controls it coming in and one controls it going out, right? So I'm going to basically just unplug that, and when you unplug it, the noise will go away. But one thing to note is that the mirror will not be able to go in and out again. All you are doing is just removing the annoying noise, right? The noise that I you heard earlier. So when you unplug it, it will remove the noise because there will be no power going to the retractable part of the control unit in the mirror. So you won't hear that noise, because that noise is basically the mirror trying to go in and out, right? So I think that is compromised. So the other functions of the mirror will be fine, right? So I'm going to just unplug it now and get back to you. This is the little plug, right? So let me start back the car. You're not hearing any sound. So even if I press, see, you're not hearing anything. The mirror is not moving, right? And basically I have the issue with both sides. I'm just going to unplug the wire and just remove the annoying noise. Alright guys, so let me start the car now. As you can hear, no noise, right? So what I want to show you now is that the functionality of the glass in the mirror, it's still working, right? Let me put it on right, and if you look on the glass, let me zoom in a little. You can see it's turning right, turning left, up, down. Alright, let us look on the left side. Alright, so we switch this to the left. Let us look on the left side. Out, in, up, down. So basically you would want the retractable aspect of the mirror to work, but trust me, the noise it's very annoying, right? And it goes on for that, like maybe like 40 seconds or something like that. Hope this video was helpful, and please remember to subscribe to my young channel. And of course, I have this car right here. I have a lot of work going to do to it, so I'll keep you posted. Bye bye.